meal ticket, bringing it home. Ain't putting on nothing but real niggas that's on my dome. And I put that on that feel, nigga. For the God, I keep that shit as I just give you chills, nigga. Yeah. Claim that they sliding, but they testifying. All inside the house with that flame like a fireman. I go by Hussein, the lit main that's been riding the game. We been buying, fuck away, this is tsunami.
In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do these easy spring twists. This is a nice protective style for this quarantine. The hair I'll be using for this video is the 14-inch spring twist hair from Amazon. This package comes with 5 packs of hair, a crochet hook, some hair jewelry and rubber bands, and an information card with the company's name. For this look, you are going to need some rubber bands, a fine tooth comb, a wide tooth comb, a pair of scissors, shine and jam gel, a spray bottle, some styling mousse, and of course your hair. All of these products will be linked in the description. Off camera, I went ahead and did the first row. Now I'm going to start off with the second row. I already went ahead and parted my hair from ear to ear, and now I'm going to start sectioning off the boxes for where the individual twist will lay. As you can see, I keep going over and over the same part. This is just to make sure that the lines are crisp. Here I am applying some of my Shine and Jam gel to the other pieces of my hair so they will not fall into place with the other piece that I'm trying to section off. Again, here I'm applying some more Shine and Jam gel to my hair. This is just to smooth down the section that I'm about to section off for the box, just to smooth it down so there won't be any lumps. Now that I have finished smoothing down this section with the Shine and Jam gel, I will be going in with one rubber band and rubber banding this section off. Continue to part and repeat the same process to your whole head. just sectioning off the rest of my head. All my hair and all my parts are looking nice, I'm gonna start to twist the hair. Y'all don't even try to come for me because I know I look like a little baby giraffe, but it's okay. Now opening the package, I am going to be using the color 1B. This isn't all the way black, but it is close to black. There is a rubber band on the hair, so you're going to want to go ahead and cut that off. And then after you cut that off, you can either cut the hair in half or leave it whole. I wanted my twist a little bit shorter because I can't have them long for work, so I cut them in half. Off camera, I went ahead and started at half of my head, but we're going to go back in and I'll show you how to start the twist. First, you're going to take your crochet hook and open the latch up. Please make sure your latch is always open before you stick it through your hair. When putting the crochet hook under the rubber band, always do it under the rubber band. You want to make sure that the hook is flat to your head, so this will prevent it catching in your hair. And once you get the crochet hook through, you want to take your piece of hair. I'm taking two because I want my twist to be thick. I put them together. To put the hair on the hook, I use my pointer finger and my thumb and wrap the hair around it so it's in a loop. And then I slide the hair onto the latch and then close it. After the hair is secured in the hook, I pull it through, only holding on to two pieces of the hair. This way that the other side can be able to twist together. Once you have two pieces on each side, you want to grab your real hair and divide it in two pieces for each side. break apart the curls on the other side to prevent the curl pattern from messing up when you twist it the opposite way. Now I'm going to dip into the Shine and Jam Gel and use that to smooth down the top of the hair. And I will also continue to use it all the way down the twist to make sure everything is together and slick and neat. When you're twisting, you want to twist right over left. This is the way that it will spring back. If you do not do this, you will not have spring twist, because when you pull it, it will not spring back. So make sure you always twist right over left. Showing you how to insert the hook again, always with the latch open, inserting it with it flat to your head and then going all the way through. Taking my two pieces of hair, I will be putting them together, wrapping them around my thumb and my pointer finger and slipping them on the hook of the crochet hook. Once I get the hair through, I'm going to separate my hair into two pieces and then start twisting using the Shine and Jam Gel. twists are looking. They're very bouncy and stretchy. They look really nice. Now I'm just finishing up the rest of my hair, and yes, when I come back to you guys, my hair will be all finished. Hey y'all, I'm back. So my hair is all the way finished. These twists aren't heavy at all. They feel really nice on my head. They are not too tight, and they're pretty versatile. So you can put them up if you want, leave them down. After you get done doing your actual hair, you want to get your Vigorol olive oil mega moisture mousse, and you want to put that all over your hair. What this does is it sets the hairstyle so it gets any of the flyaway hairs and then just sets those all down so you won't have any flyaways. As you can see, I'm using a very generous amount. That's just to make sure that all of my hair is covered. Since these are twists, you want them to look very, very moisturized. Now that I'm about finished putting on the mousse, I'm going to take a triangle scarf and I'm going to just tie my hair down with that, and then I'm going to also put a bonnet on. That's gonna be it for this video. If you guys want to see any more hair tutorials, please comment in the comment section. Thank you, and please like and subscribe. Bye bye.